Electronegativity is the tendency of the atom in a bond to attract bonded electrons to itself. In other words, how much the atom likes electrons. We are not measuring the energy required to add or remove electrons in this case, but merely how much this atom likes to have electrons when in a bond. In other words, electronegativity should be only relevant when we talk about the effects of an atom on another atom's electrons, while electron affinity is merely between an atom and an electron. In this case, it sounds pretty similar to electron affinity, other than the fact that electrons are not added to the orbital but merely pulled. Hence, our main consideration should be based on the effective nuclear charge and distance. The trend is very similar in that electronegativity increases across the period due to larger effective nuclear charge. Note that there are no deviations in this case because we are no longer talking about electrons being added to certain orbitals, merely to what extent it is attracted. Now, down the group, similarly, the distance becomes larger and hence the attractive force becomes less effective. We hence see a decreasing electronegativity. If all else fails, always remember this. FON has the highest electronegativity in that order. In other words, the electronegativity is the highest at the top right hand corner and decreases as you go left or you go down.